I was talking to a friend of mine. He was working on his first nonfiction book. He had been working on it for about a year. And as we talked, I said to him, I've written 4 nonfiction books, each one solid first draft in 60 days. He said, how the heck could you write a book in 60 days? And I said, give me 60 days and I will show you how to write a nonfiction book in 60 days. And so I took 60 days, and at the end of 60 days, I gave him a first draft of this book. How to write a nonfiction book in 60 days will show you the process that I go through when writing a book. Basically, you start with the blank page. Then you add your idea. You stratify your idea based on your target audience. For instance, if you wanted to write a book on Excel, is it Excel Introduction? Is it Intermediate Excel? Is it Advanced Excel? Each of those books would sell to different people. So this book shows you how to look at your idea, in relation to your target audience. Well, you still have a lot of blank pages, and this book shows you how to fill them quickly and efficiently and effectively. What you do is you need to determine how many chapters your book will be and what each chapter is going to be on. How to write a nonfiction book in 60 days will show you how to do that. But that's just the beginning. Then you look at each chapter and you determine the content of each chapter. How to write a nonfiction book in 60 days will show you how to produce a chapter-by-chapter outline so that before you start to write, it's all over but the writing. You've got each point for each chapter and you simply write from point to point to point. And then when you get to the end of the book, of your book, you edit, you proofread it. How to write a nonfiction book in 60 days also includes a chapter on print on demand or self-publishing for those of you who want to take your book and publish it on your own. So if you're starting with the blank page and you're looking for help writing your book, How to Write a Nonfiction Book in 60 Days will show you how to do it. What you end up with is a solid first draft of your book in 60 working days. For more information on my business writing books and my books on the business of freelance writing, visit my website, paullima.com.